And let's get it on. All right, guys, so we're going to do just 2 rounds tonight. Appreciate everybody being here. UltimateBoxBreaks.com. And here we go. Prominence dual boxes round 1, 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 10:03. And here's everybody in that break. And if you guys haven't started following on Twitter, definitely do it at the UBB just at the UBB. So I got Anthony D. He's running the show over there, getting a bunch of followers. There's going to be contests, all kinds of cool stuff. So if you're not following, definitely get up on it. So we'll take the top 2 boxes here, and we'll go right here. This is 6277. And we'll put that other one right there. And good luck. All right, first card, Mike Thomas for the Jags, and that's going to be 821, 897 to the Jaguars. We got to the Rammers, James Laurinaitis, and that's 424, 897. We got Marshawn Lynch, and that's 878, 897. And we got Beanie Wells for the Cardinals, 429, 897. Don't forget tomorrow, Thursday night, football box break, so definitely want to swing around for that. And Joe Montana, legend. And that's going to the 49ers, Jason S, 752, 897. There we go. And first hit, Andy W. Here you go, buddy. Nick Foles. It's one of the patch autographs. Actually, that's pretty neat. Goes right along that Eagles patch there. And that is card number 100 out of 125. Sorry, a little blurry there. Yep, 100, 125. Some nice hit there, Andy W. And next hit, going to the Steelers. So this is Apprentice Inc. David DeCastro. Going to the Steelers, and that's Jason S. There you go, buddy. And it's a little bit shorter print. That's 60 out of 99. And Alan R. getting the Alshon Jeffrey. And that's just the first box. You guys still have one more box to go on this one. 156 to 99. All right, next box for you guys is 9273. And here we go. Really? All right, good luck here on the second box of the dual box breaks. First card, Phillip Rivers, 791, 897. Going to the Chargers, Jamie R. And we got him on Bradshaw, and that's 480, 897. To the Giants, Jimmy F. And we got Dwayne Bowe. For the Chiefers, 117, 897. Nice step up. Then Nate Washington for the Titans, Alan R. There you go, and that's 401, 897. And Keith Jackson for the Packers. So that's going to be Jamie R. There you go. And that is 129, 897. And next, a nice patch here. So Chris Gibbons, 3-colored patch. That's a nice hit. I like that. Those patches are real nice there. And that's going to be card number 56 out of 240. Nice hit there for the Rams. Mark, you go, bub. And then we have patch for the Falcons. That's going to be Tony Gonzalez. And that is 46 out of 49. So short print hit there for the Falcons. That's going to Jamie R. And last hit going to Matty M. This is Harrison Smith, die cut auto. And that's 229 out of 499. So Not too shabby, but we will continue on. This is going to be round number 2. Let me go ahead and save this video.